artist pals. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Draw with Maddie Frost. I'm Maddie Frost. I'm in my studio and I'm so excited to bring you our drawing today, which is going to be a party hedgehog. Because hedgehogs totally love to party. So grab some paper and something to draw with and your best party hat, maybe? And meet me right back here to draw a party hedgehog. Yay! Okay, party people, let's draw our party hedgehog. I'm gonna start with a circle. Great. And then I'm going to draw a letter V like that. And I'm leaving a little, I'm not going to connect it to this outer circle. I'm just going to leave a little space because then we can make another shape inside the circle. So I just started at one side of the V and I went all the way around, leaving a little bit of space like that. Awesome. And then I'm going to, from the corner top of that V, just make another shape like this. Perfect. And I'm going to put in some little eyes. That. A nose. Smile. And some ears for the hedgehog over here. Cute. And this part's really fun. This is the little spiky back that hedgehogs have. So actually what I want to do is I'm going to actually give my hedgehog a party hat first, and I'll tell you why. So you can make your party hat as big as you want. I'm going to add some stripes to my party hat. Oh yeah, it's a party now. And a little pom-pom, that. And actually, then I'm also going to put in some feet. So for the feet, I just go down and then I can do like 1, 2, 3, like really cute. Like that. And okay, so I did that, so then I know where to sort of do my little hedgehoggy spikies. And I'm going all the way over to this foot, little triangle zigzags. Great. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So do. I'll stop there. I like leaving a little space maybe between the feet. That's cute. Cute. And then maybe some little fur. Aw. And then I want to have my party hedgehog holding some balloons. So I'm going to just take this, give him some little arms, boop, and hands. Okay, and for the balloons, let's see, I might have to zoom out a little so you can see. So I'll just draw a big circle. Whoa. And bottom part of the balloon, maybe a little light reflection shape. And woo, the string. So let's do another one on this side. Okay. the bottom part. And a light reflection. And then we go down like a little longer. Great. Oh my gosh, she's really taking off here. Just arriving to the party in style. Okay, there's one more thing I wanted to add to this, and it's just a little shadow. So it looks like Hedgehog is floating off of the ground. So it's just a little sneaky trick that looks really cool. And oh, and this is cool. If you wanted to like make this maybe a card for someone you know having a birthday, you could. This is a perfect drawing for the front of the card, and you could even write something in the balloons like happy birthday. AY. Yeah, cool. And maybe like the balloon has some polka dots on it, or however you want to decorate it. That could be cute. Yeah, a great idea for a friend or family member who has a birthday. That would be so cute. Who wouldn't want a party hedgehog card? Oh, great job, you guys. Party on. Boop, 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 boop. That's the hedgehog song.